mga idol, natar siya mga idol. Sorry ito mga idol.
Victoria, what are you doing wasting your time joining that stupid singing contest na dapat na nag-ready ka to take over the company?
Sorry tas puwente mga idol.
Dad, please. Mom.
You're going with us to Chicago. Andito ka mo tiwa sa imong eskwela para matutukan ka na mo.
Mga idol.
O usapod, amo nang naibawaan og kinsay account na nagpaluyo sa pag-post sa imong video, and we found out na nagtrabaho siya sa atong company, and because of that ma-terminate siya.
Puwente ni mga idol, puwente.
O amo siyang ikiha na nag-post siya sa imong video.
He posted your videos without your consent. So it's right we press charges. Kuya.
Kung daw tas puwente mga idol.
Ma, Pa, shouldn't everyone in the family have a say in what the best thing to do is? I think it's only fair.
No, my decision is final. She's going to Chicago. End of discussion.
Ano puwente rin mga idol.
Hey, come here. Don't worry about it,
Mga
okay?
idol.
Ako rin bahala niyo. Just go to your room.
Dagang kita mga idol.
Bakit ba nang relax? Bago kayo na nabot yun ng flight? Work mode mo sa ka.
Morning mga idol. Sorry ito mga idol. Relax mga idol. Daw sa kumari mga idol.
Ma, about that. Don't you think taking Victoria to Chicago would hinder her well-being?
Claro, man.
Ito mga idol. Mga drone rin mga idol.
Ma, I get it. And I know you have a good intentions. But no one's ever made a walk with your daughter as a man of her own.
Asa kay asa naman ta? Asa naman ta?
Hinder her potential.
Magtuyo ko na may mga idol kay kuan man dire.
Running the company.
Maybe not directly, but leadership isn't just
Magtuyo
about
mga idol.
managing operations, ma. It's about confidence, creativity, and being able to connect with people. And that's exactly what Victoria's good
Mga
at.
idol.
You think confidence will kailangan pag nagagawin ng company?
It's not just confidence, ma. Imagine someone who can stand in front of a crowd, make them listen, and inspire them. That's leadership. Di ba magamit mo na sa negosyo?
Mga idol.
Someone who can communicate well, think creatively, and manage pressure. That's what she's learning.
See,
Sorry ito
this
mga
is
idol.
serious. The company is her future. Really exciting.
Mga puwente rin.
I know, ma.
Puwente.
I'm not saying she's going to be a professional singer. What I'm saying is, let's not underestimate the value of
Ha?
letting
Ay,
her
dili ang kog
own
man eh.
decisions.
Dili kang kog man eh.
Leaders make
Sila eh.
decisions.
Wala na yung ugam.
Letting her follow her passion doesn't mean she's being responsible. It means she's learning how to manage her own life. Isn't that a crucial skill? If we force her to give this up, maybe we're holding her back from becoming a leader that's unique and capable. We need someone na hindi lang makita sa business side, but someone na makakita sa bigger picture. Someone na hindi limited sa single track mind. Success doesn't always depend on what you expect, and you know that. Mas malahi lang yan pa. Kung gusto mo
Mga
natin,
idol. Sorry ito
doesn't
mga
she just
idol.
end up presenting us and the company?
We just want what's the best company.
Nagkasang tao rin mga idol.
And maybe Chicago can wait. What if this competition is what she needs para mag-build ng character? If after that you still think Chicago is the only way, I won't stop you. Or that. But at least,
Nasa mga duwaan
give
rin
her a
mga
chance
idol.
to prove herself.
Fine. If your dad agrees, we're going. But that's it. After that, but only for the fight.
Sakay ka zipline?
Your
Sakay,
dad
eh.
agrees, we're off.
Sas.
Okay? But after that, no more.
Deal. I'll handle that.
Magsakay ka na may zipline mga idol. Sakay may zipline. Oh, napay mga nagduwa rin mga idol.
Okay, sir.
Ugma, atong no taglaw, guman ato na daw ko natong final destination sa kuan ko no sa Taps kay moro
But-
man ang naasaw.
I don't really know where to
Kuan
start.
tambok, yabi nang giswat ito.
I'm not even sure how this started.
Magkuha na dugma.
But the company owners called for the dismissal. Something about a violation of privacy.
Sa PPA. I understand.
Really?
Mga idol.
That's it? But I'm your friend. Sultihin ko. Kung
Iwas
sultihin
ang
ko,
palaway mga idol.